caves are important natural resources because of their unique beauty, their history, and their role in healthy environment. Today, caves are used mainly for scientific research and recreation. Researchers studied the underground movement of water through caves to help prevent groundwater wells from becoming polluted. Exposure to nature not only make you feel better emotionally, it's contributed to your physical well-being, reducing blood pressures, heart rate, muscle tensions, and the production of stress hormones. One of the reasons I love getting out into nature so much is because how it's forcing me to disconnect on social media. I don't enjoy the fact that I feel like I need to go away from home to encourage getting off social media. However, it's the best way that I can get my family disconnected or electronics. When we enjoying outdoor activity, we are embracing adventures. It doesn't have to be a week-long backpacking journey or a treasure hunting. It can be simple, a walk in the park, light trail, runnings, or visiting waterfall. At the end of the day, your family feel more connected. Enjoying the great outdoors is something most everyone loves. It simply makes people happy. Who doesn't love breathing clear, fresh air, hearing the scents or sounds of nature?
What you wanted, you can feel it, but don't want to leave it, baby. Where my soul is, has a feeling that says it's not breaking. Listen, what you wanted, you can feel it.
Or even viewing a sense of nature reduce anger, fear, and stress, and increase pressure feeling.
What you wanted, you can feel it. You just have to take it. If we can be honest, it'll feel like it's worth making. The ones I'm golden, you can feel it. You just have to take it. If we can be honest, it'll feel like it's worth making. And I
Breathing good fresh air and taking part in outdoor adventures, no matter how big or small, will definitely put a smile on your face. Plus, the opportunity to enjoy with good friends and loved ones is added bonus that brings happiness that grows forever.